Welcome back, everyone. In this video we are going to take a look at barcode stamps. So what are the different barcode types that we can put down using layouts? So we have a few. We have some linear barcodes. We also have some 2D data matrix barcodes. Basically what we have here are barcode 39, 128, Codabar, barcode EAN, 125, barcode PostNet, barcode PDF 417, and barcode data matrix. So those are the main types of barcodes that we can use in our layouts. Now, there may be some differences across these different barcodes, but for the most part, we have the following attributes when we're working with these barcodes. Now, one thing you should start noticing by now is that a lot of these attributes, or a lot of these attributes here that we see for the different elements, are used across all of the different elements. So, for example, we've seen format string all over the place. We've seen height and width, X and Y position, font size, color, side, box. All of these things are used all over the place, and they work and function and mean the exact same thing no matter what element you're dealing with, whether it's a text stamp, whether it's an image stamp, a barcode, or an iMark. All of these things work the same. Now, in the case of barcodes, for example, there are some attributes that we're going to look at that are very much specific to barcodes, one of those being format. And the format attribute for a barcode is going to be one of those barcode types that we just saw on the previous screen. Another one is going to be min bar width, which specifies the minimum width that a barcode can be. That's going to be used for linear barcodes. And one thing to keep in mind when you're dealing with barcodes that people run into from time to time is they'll want the barcode to be a very specific width, but then the data that comes into that barcode varies. So you need to understand that the width of a barcode, the linear ones in any case, are going to be driven almost exclusively by the amount of data that you put into them. So the only other attribute we have here that's going to be specific to barcodes is going to be the start and stop text. And those, again, I believe are all just going to be for the linear barcodes, and there's a couple of them that use the start and stop text. And we'll probably add one of those to our layout so we can see exactly how that works. So those are the different attributes that we're going to be dealing with as we add some barcodes into our layout. So coming up next, we're going to do just that. We're going to add at least one linear barcode to our layout, and we will add at least one 2D barcode to our layout. So that's about all I have for this one, and I will see you shortly in the next video.